Welcome back, guys. In today's video I have another strong buy for you. Now this company is Duke Energy, and it has been paying a consistent dividend for 92 years, and it's been increasing its dividend for the last 13 years. With the last two increases for 2018 coming in at around 4% in the long term, Duke believes it should be able to grow annual dividends by 4 to 6% in line with its earnings per share. The dividends growth should be able to support Duke's stock yield of around 4%. Now, Duke Energy is a regulated utility. As a regulated utility, Duke Energy tariff is set by the government. Any rate hike is also approved by the government provided the utility can generate required return on equity and invested capital. Now, Duke plans to invest nearly $37 billion in growth capital between 2019 and 2023 to modernize its energy grid, expand natural gas infrastructure, and increase the share of renewable energy in power generation. Ensures it can secure approval for rate hikes at regular intervals in the near future. As the revenue grows, so should its earnings, cash flow, and dividends. Alright, so let's jump into my computer and we'll show you Duke Energy on the Robinhood app. As you can see, Duke Energy has a share price right now at $90. It has increased its share price by 16% in the last year. 22% of analysts agree that this is a buy, and 2,400 people own this stock on the Robinhood app. The CEO of Duke Energy is Lynn J. Good. They have almost 31,000 employees, and they're headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. They were founded in 1904, and they have a market cap of $65 billion. Their price earnings ratio, or their PE ratio, is at 24. Dividend yield is at 4%, and they have an average volume of 3.6 million. They are 11% higher right now to buy than their average price of $81. Again, 22% of analysts of 18 ratings are saying this is a buy, 72% are saying it's a hold, and only 6% are saying it is a sell. Now, the buy summary and the sell summary are here on the Robinhood app. If you want to pause and read these, you can, but I will be moving on to a few other things. They have an 84-cent earnings per share right now for the Q4 2018. They have an estimated, they have an expected earnings call May 9th pre-market. Looking forward to that. I also want to show you guys that for this particular stock, Robinhood has the accurate information needed for the PE ratio and the dividend yield. I use tradingview.com and can see here their volume, their EPS, their market cap, their PE ratio, and their dividend yield. You can also see their increase here over the last year. And technicals are saying it is a buy, moving a little bit back and forth, but it's still a buy. One last thing I want to cover is Duke Energy's dividend history. As you can see here, the NASDAQ.com chart here is only showing from August 14th, 2013 at 78 cents. But I like to show this because it does show increase in the dividend price. And as you can see, 2/14/2019, they're up to just under 93 cents per share, which is amazing. Payment for that will be 3/18/2019. And that is why I think Duke Energy is a strong buy and deserves a spot in my strong buy series. They have a great track history. They have a consistent dividend that's been paid out for 92 years. They have a ton of money that they can invest into new energy grid, natural gas infrastructure, and increase the share of renewable energy. They can secure approval for rate hikes at regular intervals, and as their revenue increases, their earnings, cash flow, and dividends will all increase as well. And that's why I think Duke Energy is a strong buy. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content just like this. Have a great day.